Cat 26 here, just at Tips, Affairs, and Hobbies, and you got these colorful pictures here. You want to test your color after you deep flush your printer. So we're going to click on this picture, open it up, and we're going to go File. We go to Print, and we're going to print that. Make sure that the backside double-sided is off, and we're going to print that. Okay, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So that's printing right now. You can hear it in the background. It shouldn't take too long to print, and I'll show you what it looks like. The picture all done. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up, and hype the video. See how it does all the colors? That's what you want. Bye for now.